Founded in 2013, Gateio has strived to provide its users with the best trading experience in the last 8 years. And in terms of trading volume, Gate is one of the top 10 crypto exchanges in the world, listing crypto assets that are great in quality and have a high rate of return. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Gate.io and then log into your Gate account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch our tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on Gate.io to be able to deposit and withdraw on Gate. And with our referral code, you can earn 20% off our trading fees on Gate. Now, in order to deposit or withdraw on Gate, you will have to complete your identity verification. If you haven't KYC yet, then again, you can refer back to our tutorial video. Now let's start depositing. So from the home page of Gate.io, go to Wallet and then click on Deposit here. Then on this page, you can first choose the crypto that you want to deposit. For example, here it is Bitcoin. Then you can see all the chains that you can choose to deposit Bitcoin that Gate supports here, including Bitcoin Chain, Binance Spot Chain, and Heco. For different type of coin, you will be given a bunch of different chains that you can consider. Take USDT for example. So you can see here that Gate supports a lot more chains for USDT than for Bitcoin, in which there is Tron Network or TRC20 here that has 0 transaction fee. So you can choose the chain you want that benefits you the most. After choosing the coin and the chain, you can go ahead and make the deposit. So keep in mind that the address here is the address of your Gate wallet. Therefore, you have to make sure that you copy this address and paste it correctly on the withdrawal platform, which can be another exchange or your crypto e-wallet, where from it you want to send your crypto to Gate account. So again, get the right address, otherwise you will lose your access. So after you have made the withdrawal on the other platform, you will see the coins arriving in the recent deposit section here on Gate within a few minutes or a few hours, depending on the chain, whether it is congested or not. If you want to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. So next, if you don't have any coins available on any platform, you can choose to buy it directly using your bank account. So to do that, just go to buy crypto here. Then you can see that you can buy coins either by using your credit card, bank transfer, or P2P trading. So the most common and saving way is to use credit card. So click on credit card here, and then from here enter the amount of money that you want to spend to buy crypto and choose the crypto that you want to buy. Next, you can see that there are a lot of providers here that you can use. So just move your mouse to the 3 dot symbol here and you can see all the types of credit card that this provider supports. So each provider will charge a different amount of transaction fee. And this is also different regarding each type of coin and fiat currency that you choose. So you can see the fee by clicking on the provider like this. Take USDT and USD for example. So for that, MoonPay is the provider that charges the lowest fee, which is only $1.01. Therefore, I will choose this provider. Then you can see below is the disclaimer. Just read it and click on this box to confirm. And finally, just click on purchase. Then you will be led to MoonPay website where you have to create a MoonPay account to continue. Then after everything is set, just complete the purchase by sending the money to them and they will send you the amount of crypto that you want. That's it. Now we will move on to withdraw on Gate.io. Again, go to Wallet and choose Withdraw. Then you want to choose the crypto that you want to withdraw and the chain. Next is the withdrawal address. So as I have mentioned before, this address has to be precisely entered if you don't want to lose your money. So in this case, when you want to withdraw, just go to the platform where you want to send the coins to from Gate. Generate the wallet address of that platform by making a deposit request, and then just copy and paste that address here on Gate. You can also name your address here to make it more noticeable and easier for next withdrawals. Then enter the amount of coin that you want to withdraw here. Next, fill in the fund password, SMS, email, Google authentication code if you have set them up. And finally, just click on Submit Request. Then your coins will be transferred to your deposit platform within a few minutes. And you can also go to Recent Withdrawal here to check the record and the status of your withdrawal. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.